Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Kynhun Myntri jong sorkar jela negasngi hak jengki kenduk jengki kala Mynjur ban kentiu ya ka song pisa na ka benta ka Tnad engineering kani kan penkloy ya ka jeng pentrikam ban yo ya ka jeng Mynjur nak sorkar habaya dei bat ka jeng trai paper po ka jela ka Kynhun Myntri kala Mynjur ya ka Meghalaya Forest Service Third Amendment Rules Hajar Arpway ya kan ni lale ban penbha na ka benta ka Meghalaya Forest Service ban pejnia ba ka jingsiu kanihap bat ka Meghalaya Civil Service badru bat ka Meghalaya Police Service.
Very good evening to everyone. Thank you for coming to this press conference. We just concluded our cabinet meeting, and it was a very short cabinet meeting. Two decisions primarily were taken in the cabinet meeting today. First was to enhance the financial powers for technical officers in engineering departments under Schedule 4 of the Meghalaya Delegation of Financial Powers, Power Rules 2006. Basically, the gist of this decision is that the financial powers that were given to accept tenders, to accord technical sanctions of works, and to accord technical sanctions of repairs were very low valued. So therefore, executive engineers had a certain power, superintendent engineers have certain power, and chief engineers have certain power. What we have decided and realized that this amount or the value has not changed for the past 15 years. So we've decided to raise the powers of the executive engineers, the SEs and the CEs. So now the EEs will be able to give up to 6 lakhs. The SEs will be able to give up to 15 lakhs, and the CEs will be able to give up to 30 lakhs. So according to the sanctions that can be given by them and tender values. So it's basically, as I said, the amount. This would ensure that the speedy implementation takes place. They don't have to come to to the government for approval every time. So all small works that are there that can be cleared off at their level, at the EE or the SE or the chief engineer level. So those values amounts have gone up. Second decision that was taken was to amend the Meghalaya Forest Service Third Amendment Rule 2021. Basically, this is being done because there was a disparity in the promotional level and the pay levels that were given to the MCS, MPS, and the MFS. So the MPS and the MCS used to get certain scales based on certain promotions that they used to get, but there was a bit of a flaw in the MFS rules, which we did not give parity to the MFS officers, so the Meghalaya Forest Service officers. So today we have taken a decision to bring them at par, so that now as the promotion levels go up, the grades go up, and as the grades go up, the scale goes up. And earlier the MFS officers were not getting that at certain grades, but now they will be at par with the MCS and the MPS. So this was a small change that needed to be made to bring everybody at par. So that is what was done, and this was also recommended by the Fifth Finance Commission. So we have done that today. With this now, there will be no disparity in all the three services. So those are two decisions we took.